Slope is a number that describes the steepness of a line. A small number is not very steep, while a larger number is steep. So numbers like fractions, those are going to be your small number, like 1/2, 3/4, things like that. Your larger numbers are going to be more than 1, 2, 4, 5, things like that, even and greater. Now, determine if a slope is positive or negative. We want to look at which way the line is going up. Is it going up from the left to the right? Or is it going up from right to left? Or in the negative case, I would say down from left to right. A zero slope, something that has no slope, we think of something that is flat. Okay? And undefined, this is something getting divided by 0. It's going to be up and down. It should go up and down, and it's undefined. Right? There's 2 ways to find slope, and the method you use depends on if you're given a graph or if it's a set of 2 points. If you're given a graph, you're going to use slope, rise over run. Very important that you remember it's rise over run. So I'm going to see what the slope from this point to this point on my graph, here to here, on my graph, I can do count. Each sector on the graph paper has 1. You got to pay attention to the graph. It may be going by 2s, 5s, and so on. Make sure to pay attention to little things like that. So I'm going to count how many I go up. 1, 2, and how many I run. 1, 2, 3. In this case, my slope would be 2 over 3. That would be my slope. Okay. Go down at the bottom here. It just gives you some instructions how to find slope using rise over run. All right. So our first example. We've got a negative slope because it's going down from the left to the right. So our slope is negative. So I'm going to go ahead and fill in my negative sign. I know it's negative. Now I'm going to start at 0, 0 because I know that point that my line crosses perfectly at that point. And I'm going to go find the next place where my line intersects the graph paper perfectly. It's going to be, looks like right here. Now I'm going to count. Rise over run. 1, 2, and then 1. So 2 over 1 equals -2. So that's a -2 slope. Now on the next one, I have a positive slope, so I'm going to have a positive number. Once again, start at 0, 0, the origin. And I'm going to go find the next intersection on the graph that's perfect. Looks like it's about right here. Then I'm going to rise. 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to run. 1, 2. So that's 3 over 2 is my slope. I'm not going to change it to the decimal. I'm going to leave it just like it is. On the next example, it doesn't quite go through the origin. So we need to find 2 other points that it intersects perfect. It looks like the perfect one right here. And probably right here. Those look like the best 2 to use. So I can't go. I have a positive line, so I'm going to start from the left. I'm going to rise. 1, 2, 3. My rise is 3. My run is 3 over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The slope is 3 over 5. It's a positive slope, so the number needs to be positive. All right, on the next one, I have a line that's going straight across. That's like flat ground. That's saying there is no slope. So that slope is 0 slope. or you can put no slope. Either is correct. On the next one, I notice that I have a negative slope, so I know my answer is going to be negative. I'm going to find 2 good points. Looks like right there's a good point, and here's a good point. So if I'm going to rise up 1, run 1. So that's 1 over 1, which equals negative 1. Okay, on the next one, I have a vertical line. We said earlier in our notes that a vertical line is undefined. So you can either write undefined, or you can do a 0 with a slash through. Either are correct. Alright, now we're going to move on to using 2 points to find slope. Points on the graph are plotted using the coordinates x and y. Formula for slope when you have 2 points is y of 2 minus y of 1 over x of 2 minus x of 1. That may not make a lot of sense, but let's clear it up a little bit. So, each point has a coordinate. You have x and a y. So, from your first point that you choose, that is x1 and y1. And then for your second point that you try to choose to find the slope to, is x2 and y2. So it's point 1 and point 2. That's how you use the y2, y1, and so on. Alright, you want to keep your answers as a reduced fraction. If it does not divide, to get a whole number. If the denominator is 0, the slope is undefined. You cannot divide by 0, but you can divide 0 by another number. And do not change it to a decimal. Alright, so first example. That's points 3, 5, and 6, 2. So this is my x, y. This is my x, y. 1, 1, 2, 2. So this is x of 1, y of 1. X of 2, y of 2. Okay, so we understand that. So x, y, x, y. I'm going to take second y, 2 minus 5 over 6 minus 3. 2 minus 5 is negative 3. 6 minus 3 is positive 3. That gives me a negative 1. Okay, for the next one over, x, y, x, y, 1, 1, 2, 2. See that? Let's go back to C. Alright, so we've got 7 minus 7 over 4 minus 8 equals 7 minus 7 is 0, and 4 minus 8 is negative 4. Divide 0 by any number, you get 0. So the slope there is 0. That would be a line straight across, a horizontal line. Okay, the second one, x of 1, y of 1, x of 2, y of 2. Okay, so that's 3 minus negative 1. Add that minus minus, put that second number in parentheses, over negative 2 minus 4. Okay, so we have this minus minus on the top like that. That just becomes a plus sign. So that's 3 plus 1 equals 4. Negative 2 minus 4, the signs are the same, so add them together and keep the sign. Get negative 4, 6. And that's going to reduce to negative 2/3. Next one. X of 1, y of 1, x of 2, y of 2, negative 1 minus negative 5 over, that's not right. 2 minus negative 5. Okay, signs are the same on top. Add them together and keep the sign. On the bottom, this just becomes a plus sign, so that's negative 2 plus 5. So the signs are different. Subtract. Keep the sign bigger, which is 5. Now, my top and bottom out gives me a whole negative 3. X1, Y1, X2, Y2. So that's 6 minus 2, negative 1 minus 9. 6 minus 2 is 4. Plus sign, that's 1, negative 1 plus 9. Signs are different, so subtract. 8, 2. Not 2, wow. 1 half, excuse me. Alright, next one, x of 1 minus, x1, y of 1, x of 2, y of 2. So 12 minus 0, 5 minus 12 equals 12 over negative 7. That does not reduce, so I'm going to leave it just like it is. 1, y of 1, x of 2, y of 2, y of 2 minus y of 1, that's 0 minus negative 7 over x2 minus x1, which is 4 minus 4, equals 0. There, that's 4 minus 4 is 0. 0 minus negative 7, that's plus. You cannot divide by 0, so that becomes undefined. For us, and either is correct. Either writing undefined or the circle with a slash. X of 1, y of 1, x of 2, y of 2. 1 minus 1, 8 minus negative 2, 0 over 10. Okay, that equals 0. Alright, that's all for this one. Be ready for Tuesday with questions and your homework.